Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let you show to you the way how to block someone on Google Chat application by iOS or iPhone. Sometimes we want to restrict people to reach us out on the Google Chat or in any social media or any application on our phone, right? So the way to do that on the Google Chat is so simple. Let's open the Google Chat application first. So here is the look whenever we open the Google Chat. And after that, we just need to decide the account or the user that we want to block. So here I have one example, which is my friends here. So you just need to open the room chat with your friends that you want to block. And after that, on the top of the name of the user, you just need to click them, and they will be bring you into the several options for the users, and you will see one of them called block and report. So you just need to go click them. If you only want to block them without report it, don't mark this square here, just let it empty, and after that you just need to go click block, and now those account will be disappear from your room chat on a Google Chat. So that is the way, guys, how to block someone in a Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is really helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.